Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, I am FEFARATER COLE. It's nice to have you here. In this video, I am going to show you step by step on how I create a creative makeup look. So if that sounds interesting to you, definitely watch down to the end of this video. I really appreciate you all for stopping by into this video. Thank you all for watching today's video. I uploaded same look like this on my story. If you haven't followed me on my stories on Instagram and also via WhatsApp, I'll link all my links in the description box down below, so check it out and join my FEFARATER's family. So I uploaded this look and everybody was like, wow, can you film this on YouTube? Do you have this video on YouTube? How do you create this? So I finally made a video on it. I finally created something for you guys, something different and something spicy. So I would like you guys to watch down to the end and see how I achieve that makeup look, a creative makeup look using my makeup. And I really appreciate you all for stopping by into this video, like I said. But don't fail to leave this video without subscribing. Give it a thumbs up, always subscribe, and hit that ring bell button so you'll be always notified every time I am posting a brand new video. I love you all. I'll just let you guys enjoy through this video and learn everything from the T. I really show everything in details, so enjoy yourself and watch down to the end. Bye bye guys, see you all, keep on watching.